Hi everyone. Welcome to episode 131 of Monday Morning Mastery, powered by the Next Academy, building construction leaders for what comes next. I'm Cody Phillips. As always, I hope this finds you ready to attack the day. Be sure to hit that like button if you're excited about today's episode, and please share it with some people that you care about. First, happy 4th of July. Today, I have a fitting topic, as hopefully many of you are resting, relaxing, and enjoying time with friends and family as we celebrate American Independence Day. I'm going to talk to you this morning about your check engine light. So, a lot of you that listen to me each week are high achievers, hard chargers in both work and life, people that put a lot into your goals, dreams, and aspirations. People that work very hard, a ton of hours. I'm here today to advise you to keep a close eye on your personal check engine light. I have definitely had stress, stagnation, and burnout in my life, but I feel like that burnout is a result of the misalignment between the work I was doing and my core values, my interests, and the meaning behind that work. You cannot always grind. You cannot always be on. You just can't. Are there seasons in your life that it's absolutely a necessity to hustle? Yes, but you can't always be in 100% grind mode. You certainly can't be in 100% grind mode in a job or a position that doesn't fulfill you. There's a story of a Buddhist monk visiting New York City. The individuals showing him around the city tell him, "We need to take the subway, it will save us 10 minutes. So they hop on the subway, and as they are coming out of the subway, the monk sits down on a park bench. The people accompanying him look in surprise and say, "What are you doing?" He responds, "I'm going to enjoy the 10 minutes we just saved." I love that story because many of us are trying to save time to spend more time saving time, instead of stopping to enjoy the time we've saved. You can run for a while with your check engine light blinking, but at some point you will break down. If you're not checking in with your body, with your health, with your relationships, simply with yourself, you're heading for the repair shop. And you can only hope that the part that is broken is a part that can be fixed or replaced. Don't get to the point of needing a repair. You have to find meaning and purpose in those long hours to avoid burnout. The long hours have to light you up and fill your bucket. Hours that are truly congruent with your passions, congruent with the person that you want to become. Today, as you take time to reflect, all I'm asking is that you check in with yourself. Make sure that you're okay, that you aren't near burnout, near exhaustion, near a fatal crash. It may be time for some much needed rest. Thank you all for listening and watching. As always, I hope you found great value in today's episode. Don't be defined by yesterday. Be the best version of you today. Every day is another opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you so much for the incredible support of Monday Morning Mastery over the past few years and your willingness to hit that like button that you see below this post, to hit that share button and pass along this content to coworkers, friends, and family across all of the social media landscape. I'm grateful for each and every one of you that inspire me to do what I do. Thank you. We are continuing our journey in the Next Academy for 2022. Our participants have now covered 24 classes filled with leadership essentials, change management principles, and leadership development and communication strategies. In July, we turn our attention to disruptive innovation with 4 classes packed with actionable takeaways for our participants. I look forward to class 25 this week, where we take a closer look and discuss why great companies fail. If you're in the construction industry, please visit our website at nextleadershipacademy.org to learn more about the Next Academy. Next is a unique 12-month experience diving into master's level curriculum molded for your industry. You will learn leadership essentials, change management, leadership development, effective communication, organizational learning, organizational culture, disruptive innovation, VUCA leadership, emerging tech, strategy, negotiations, and much more. We're committed to helping each of our participants, each of you, become more prepared, dynamic leaders who can drive your company's sustainability and profitability into the future. If you're in search of personal and professional growth and ready to challenge yourself, please consider the Next Academy as a foundational element in becoming the new you, in building the next version of you. If I can ever help you in any way, please do not hesitate to reach out. I'm always here to help you on life's wild journey. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content like this. Please be safe and smart out there. Enjoy your 4th of July. I look forward to continuing the conversation next week. But until then, attack the day, own your life, and be next.